Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2011 government pass question. Question number 7. The question number 7 says a system based on hierarchies of land ownership is dash. A system based on hierarchies of land ownership is dash. Option A say communism. Option B says fascism. Option C say feudalism. Option D say totalism. A system of of okay, let's say a system of of land ownership which shows relationship between the master and servant is is known as feudalism. So by this definition or explanation, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.